Hey guys, it is, stop eating that mate, it is food shop time. It is like 9:20. We just had our Tesco delivery come. I ordered this yesterday. It's a really small one. I think it's like 50 quid in total. Gary is trying to eat things through the plastic because he is a starving cat who is never fed. Yeah, I thought I'd show you. It's your first time here. Hi, I'm Lacey. I've just been in the shower. I don't normally look this much of a mess. We are 3 kids, 7, 6 and 2, and then me and Ben, and this is just a little sort of I tend to do like a shop every week. I'll do like a little shop like this, and then the next week I'll do a big shop, and then a little shop, and then a big shop. And this is our little shop just as a top up. We've got loads of meat in the freezer, and it's just little bits we wanted, and something that Ben got last night that I tried and they were so good, and then I saw they were on offer, so I got lots for Christmas, but you'll see that in a second. So let's jump in. Told you, little tiny shop. Got some bananas, some onions, a sweet potato, because I made a sweet potato pasta the other day, like pasta with this sauce made out of sweet potatoes, and it was amazeballs. Some CD rolls. 6-year-old absolutely loves these. Some eggs. I only bought eggs last week, but one of my cats knocked the entire carton off the side and smashed them all, and I managed to save some and had to make a frittata. And I used all of our chicken's eggs because we have chickens in the garden. You can't see them because it's dark, but I used all of our chicken's eggs that we had left today to make Yorkshire puddings. But our chickens are tiny, so their eggs are teeny weeny. Cream crackers, fizzy water, just because I've run out of the thing on my soda stream, jelly, pepper, tomato puree. This is what Ben came home with some of these last night. Oh my god, they're one of the nicest things ever, and they were £1 a bag at Tesco's, so I got 4 bags, and yeah, they're absolutely delicious. This is what Gary's been trying to eat through the bag. Some Malden salt, pombears for Foxy, some bagels, some tomatoes, brioches, a fluffy cat, not for sale at Tesco's, some chocolate fingers, a tin of passata or carton of passata, another cat, marshmallow squares. I got myself 2 of these. I absolutely love these apple and elderflower. They are so yummy. Pink ladies. I'm going to go on the other side. I got the kids some more of these because they really liked them. The squash and yogurt drinks. Some grapes. They look amazing. They look really nice. Big grapes. 2 lots of ham. Some extra mature cheese. You gonna eat that, Gary? You gonna eat it? Super thick yogurt. This is my favourite. This is so yummy. 2 lots of Parmesan-y type cheese. 2 lots of broccoli, some Alpro chocolate milk, and I get the one that's protein because my middle child loves it, and it's just a good way of getting extra protein in her because she doesn't eat a lot of meat. Some smoothies with veg in, sausage balls for Foxy and Mika, my favourite, dark chocolate Alpro, cauliflower, and then a garlic flatbread and some ciabatta slices. These will just go into my freezer because it's nice to have them. But yeah, that was the shop. Really small one. I'm going to put it all away and I'll come back tomorrow and we can have a chat about the food plan. I need to let this cat out because he's... What's the matter? Oh, you all need to come and do the shopping, do you? Yeah? Okay. You help me then. Thanks, boys. Where's the other one? Oh, there he is. Everybody's helping. I'm going to go and put this away before they manage to open something or smash more eggs. Hey, I thought I would just come and tell you now what the food plan is for the week. We are having pizza night, chilli night. Me and Ben are going to have the sweet potato pasta. Oh, it was so good. I literally saw it on some cooking program or a TikTok, I think I saw it on, and it looked amazing. It's basically just cook a sweet potato, like stab it, and then put it in the microwave, cook it till it's soft, and then scoop out all the middle, put it in a blender with some nutmeg, salt and pepper and chilli. I wish I'd put more chilli in mine. And then a little tiny bit of milk and blend it, and it'll be really, really fucking thick. Like you can tip it upside down, it doesn't fall out. And then you make a roux, and make like a basic white sauce, and then put a little bit of parmesan in it, and then put the sweet potato in and whisk it together, and it goes like this really thick, gooey. Oh my god, it was just amazing. And some sage, just so good, absolutely delicious. And then I put some sweet corn, broccoli and peas in it as well, so it was a really nice veggie dinner. And Ben was eating it and he was like, oh my god, this is yummy. This, like, he thought it was mac and cheese, and I was like, the sauce is made of sweet potato, and he was like, I'm sorry, what? But it was amazing. That night the kids will have pesto pasta. What else did we say we were gonna have? Brain parts. Possibly chicken wraps one night, or chicken tacos. And then I've literally got brain parts. I can't remember, me and Ben were discussing it last night when I was booking the food shop. It's gone out of my brain. It's just vanished. I don't know. I'm having some of the nuts. I'll show you. Oh, that's so good. No, it's gone. Gone. I'm in pyjamas, by the way. If you're like, why do you look like a tramp? It's just Ben's t-shirt that he's had since he was like 15. It says better smeg than dead on the back. And it's the comfiest shirt in the world. He never ever gets to wear it because I always steam it for bed. Yeah, if I remember anything else that we're having to eat for the week, I'll do a list down below. I might do a dahl one night actually. I've not done a dahl for ages. That's another veggie night because I'm trying to do more and more veggie nights. Yeah, I'm going to do a dahl one night and make flatbreads. Because the kids eat that as well. So yeah, that's that. That was the food shop. If you like the videos, please give it a big thumbs up. I'm so close to 10k, so close. I've got a giveaway. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I love you, bye.